Hi! Let's have a look together at our starter evaluation kit in a short demonstration video with a laboratory test bench. This is our starter evaluation kit. We have a spectrum analyzer operating up to 3 GHz and the generator output is connected to a suitable dummy load. The USB port of the kit is connected to a PC running our Lean-On application. Lean-On supports 3 different operating modes. The first and most used is the automatic mode. Let's see how it works. You select a frequency from 2.4 to 2.5 GHz. Then you set the desired output power level with mouse controls or directly typing the number. Finally, you can set a value in the timer for a predefined radiation time. Then click on the green Start button. The left side shows real-time readings of forward and reflected powers, DC current and voltage of the generator, its operating temperature, and the correct lock of the synthesizer to the desired frequency. The highly accurate output is shown in the spectrum analyzer here. At the end of the countdown, the generator automatically powers off. The generator can be also manually started and stopped at any time by leaving the timer set to 0. Let's now run a new test by selecting 100 watt output power level and 2460 MHz frequency. Here's the complete monitoring of the operating parameters. Also showing the synthesizer correctly locked at the new frequency. The user-enabled safe mode setting simply allows the generator to automatically power off if any alarm condition is met during the operation. The second operating mode is called manual mode and is limited to very specific testing conditions, especially during customers' software development. It is an open-loop operation driven by a PWM value, generating a constant control voltage without guaranteeing a regulated output power level, which typically decreases with the generator's temperature. Let's stop it and check now the pulsed mode. It works by defining 2 output levels in terms of PWM value and 2 corresponding time durations, generating a periodic pulsed waveform. Let's manually start the generator. The output bounces between the 2 levels with a defined timing. It's easily visible in the spectrum analyzer window. Associated with the timer, the pulsed waveform can be generated for a predefined time, always with continuous monitoring of the operating conditions. Going back to the automatic mode, let's now check an interesting feature, very useful when the generator works with highly mismatched loads. In this case, we will test the complete open load with a 15 watt output level, generating 100% reflected power. The Foldback function allows defining a threshold of maximum allowed reflected power level. Let's set 5 watt and enable the Foldback function. After clicking Start, we can see that the foldback status goes active, and the output power automatically folds back to a level that reduces the reflected power to a value below 5 watt. By enabling and disabling the foldback function, we can clearly see the effect of the automatic power reduction. At the end of any test session, a useful report is generated and saved as a spreadsheet table.